For this part, we'll be talking about the pipe function. So usually this function was used for operation like construct a certain length of pipe. You may have a combination of cylinders and the turns that connect them. So usually the first thing you want to do is to extract those cylindrical areas with the cylinder functions, just to extract primitives. Okay, I've already done it. So the second step would be use 3D sketch function under surfacing to construct the center line of this pipe. What you want to do first is in the other functions here on top, choose Extract Visible Cylinders Centerline. Then let's go to the Add Blend Curve function, and we can connect all the center lines of those curves like this. And you can click on OK. Now we can hide these cylinders. Now finally, let's just select under surfacing the pipe function. Make sure you check the select edge chain, otherwise you're only getting one edge. So reset select edge chain so that you can select the full center line at the same time. Then give it a reasonable radius. I believe it's 15 for us. So in this case, you can get the pipeline down. And the final thing would be just adding a solid to it. Okay.